Probably a fire
Esmeralda
point.
County in south central California. South central Esmeralda County in south central Nevada until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of West Guard Pass or 19 miles south of Dyer, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include West Guard Pass, Grandview Campground, and ancient Brist-Laconie Visitors Center. This includes State Route 168 between mile markers 26 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, they're on backup power.
The current time is 3:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Inyo County in south central California. Light time. It's until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. In Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was